Welcome to another monthly tip or trick. This one could be a tip or trick, depending on, I guess, how you see it. But it's just a plain old binder. I took some painter's tape and wrote sandpaper on it. This seems really simple, but it's something that I didn't start doing till a couple years ago, and then now that I do it, I don't know what I did before. You take just one of these little binders, and you can separate all your different grits of sandpaper. I know this was short and some people might have found it silly, but for those of you that haven't thought of doing this before, I bet you're thinking about doing it now. And if you do, you'll never go back to just having sandpaper laying everywhere in a drawer or something like that. So that's it for this monthly tip slash trick. This one, I guess this month was both. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos. If you do, make sure to go into my channel, check out a couple other videos. I've got all kinds of different stuff in there. If you find a video that you like, hit the like button. If you have something to say, leave it down in the comments. And if you find a couple videos that you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.